Okay, affiliate marketing is a popular way to individual to earn passive income online. However, not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some offer low commission rates and some offer high quality products and high commission rates. While others provides are opportunity to earn big commission. You can make everywhere from $100 to $1,000 in commission per sale with this affiliate program. If you are serious about making significant income through affiliate marketing, it is the right place. And let's dive into the video. Number 1. SEMrush. If you are passionate about digital marketing and improving your audience, that bulk up because SEMrush affiliate program is about to become your best friend. SEMrush isn't just another SEO tool. It's one of the shop the everything online marketing like keyword research, rank tracking, competitor analysis, site audits, and many more. With SEMrush, your audience get that tools they need to boost your website traffic, improve their website search engine management, and drive more the qualified leads. A flat $200 commission for each new paid subscription and $10 for every free trial sign up. Plus, generous 120 days cookie duration. You have ample time to convert your audience into satisfied SEMrush users. Number 2. Active Campaign. Active Campaign is yet another email marketing platform on the list. Their service include customer relationship management, automation, and email and SMS marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you can tap into commission on this. Active Campaign offers 20 to 30% recurring commission on sales made through your unique link. Sounds easy, right? And when you consider the professional marketing bundle is $386 per month, the commission is sure to get you excited. Very excited, right? Here's how it works. If someone clicks and sign up the professional bundle at $386 per month, you will get 115 something 30% per dollar a month. Now imagine 10 people are using your link. What happened? Number 3. Last. HubSpot. If you are like helping business grow better, then HubSpot affiliate marketing is a perfect match for you. HubSpot is a all-of-one customer platform that provides business of all sizes that tools they need to scale faster and easier. From customer relationship management (CRM) and content marketing to sales customer service, the HubSpot affiliate marketing offers to 30% recurring commission rate on every customer you refer. What sets the HubSpot affiliate marketing apart is the ability to grow and earn more commission through programs different their levels. As you refer more customer, you will be rewarded the more benefits depending on your affiliate impression. HubSpot affiliate, the new affiliates 30% recurring commission and 400 plus marketing asset and affiliate challenge for additional commission, super affiliate 100 to 200 signups, and then content audits and link building and opportunities, allied marketing. Allied affiliate 200 sign up plus co-branded marketing asset, database performance reports, and regular check-in with assigned affiliate manager. With the monthly prices ranging from $20 to $4,000, $20 to $4,000, there's lot of earnings potential is beginning the HubSpot affiliate. I hope so. This video is helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like this button and welcome my channel and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.